Hi, EP girl. Hello. Are you guys so cozy? Hard day at work? Alright, we'll see you guys later. Say hi to the vlog, old man.
This is Rocky.
Say hi, Rocky.
He's about to be 12.
He came from a strip
He
club.
did come from a strip club, that's why his name is Rocky.
And then we got the other EP babies over here. See if you can spot them.
If you had to guess, we're decorating Christmas cookies today. Alright. That one's plain. Do you want one plain white one? Alright, so white, red. That looks pretty yellow to begin with. Or you split that into there so you can do, we need what, green and blue then?
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want it more yellow than that?
Ooh.
No, let's try.
This is very red.
It is very red. And that has red 40 written all over it. Alright,
Most definitely.
these look like they're breaking.
What?
Some of these look like they're cracking.
They've been in there for a while.
Yeah. Are these the Gordon's ones?
Yeah.
Cookie.
Speaking of broken, I'll just icing it together again. Like super glue.
Oh, I should probably get the I don't know what they call it. The drying racks, maybe? Is that right?
Yes. That would.
We'll go with that.
What?
We'll go with that.
These things. To put the finished cookies on.
I already want to eat one.
We had the idea too, TT, of while we're doing this, we could talk about favorite holiday memories. Really test your memory here, huh?
Or dry.
That you can remember.
I remember one holiday Darren got really mad. It wasn't at this house, it was at other grandma's.
Yeah.
And I don't know if it was Christmas, it was near Christmas, and Darren was talking a lot of smack, and they kicked us out of their house. I was like 8. So, that's one memory.
What about your birthday? Having a Christmas birthday. Do you like it or do you hate it?
I hate it.
Yeah, same.
We'll put it in the glue.
Yeah, there's a plus. Well, you and I are the opposites though, whereas you have a Christmas birthday and you still love Christmas. I have a Christmas birthday and I'm usually a Grinch.
I just think about the fact I get double gifts.
Yes, you do. I never do.
Well, I also have multiple Christmases, so
Yeah, you have multiple families to choose from. It was always, since mine's before Christmas, it was always like Christmas before long, people would be like, oh shit, happy birthday. And I'd be like, a little late on that, thanks.
yeah. I
This
get
looks
all
like
my
the
gifts
Grinch.
from.
Huh?
This looks like the Grinch.
Oh yeah, it does. It's usually darker green than that.
I don't know why some yellow came out, and I was like, oh, okay. So it's like green and yellow. But we can make like Grinch cookies.
Yeah, that's true.
You want some Grinch cookies?
Or, I mean, you got Christmas trees.
Yes, you do.
When did you start baking a whole bunch?
Either this summer or fall of last year.
You know, it popped up on my Snapchat memories the other day.
What?
5 years ago, someone gave me mermaid hair. You want to see? It's crazy to think that was only 5 years ago. I feel like you were littler than that.
I was like 8. And we did it.
Yeah.
Because that started me just being obsessed with dyeing my hair.
That's true.
Because I went blue, and then the blue faded into a green, and then I dyed it blue again. It was good, though.
That's funny. I showed him in your face. You look so amused.
I'm a pro at frosting cookies.
Do you have a favorite holiday from memory or tradition?
No, not really. I like the food. There's always lots of food. Why is this the darkest it's getting?
Oh my gosh. I look so unhappy.
Yes. It was cool though. But even there, your hair was so fucking thick.
Yeah.
It took forever. Remember, Darren wanted his hair dyed too, so we made it more red.
Yeah.
Might as well just pull them out so we can see what's what.
I was looking for the blue anyway, so.
Green.
Holiday.
Halloween.
Yeah. Chocolate. This is a block.
Sorry. Grandma don't even know.
Those are chocolate. We already ate chocolate.
Those are the little like holly berries.
And these.
Those are red hots.
I know.
But those are also old as hell.
Yes. Oh, we have new red sugar.
Why does the greenness it's getting?
That's fine. We'll use it.
I think this is from my 10th
More
birthday.
green though.
Not necessarily. What's up?
Darren was already past 10 when we moved here, so this is from my birthday. Why do we still have these? None of us are turning 10 anymore.
But you're gonna be 14. We could have used the 0 for your dad's.
Oh my goodness, my dad's 40.
Yeah.
Old.
Sprinkles.
Spring.
That is all. That's
Hey,
in there.
take into consideration the age that your dad is now is when Grandma and Grandpa had me.
Yes.
Isn't that crazy?
Yes.
Yeah.
No, it was green. Why is green coming out? I wanted blue. Well, maybe because the green's open. Permanently. Oh, that was too much.
Which holiday sweet treats are your favorite?
Hard choice.
All of them.
Well, first I have to think of holiday sweet treats.
We usually make the peppermint bark.
I love peppermint bark.
Yeah. He doesn't like peppermint.
No.
Not like we do. Maybe it's a Christmas birthday thing, because her and I both love peppermint.
Not a fan of peppermint.
Peppermint mochas, peppermint hot chocolate.
Peppermint hot chocolate is so good.
Yeah.
No.
We'll get one at the zoo.
Yes.
We have to go buy ugly Christmas sweaters still for your birthday.
I know a lot of girls were just wearing Christmas sweaters because I was like, either wear an ugly Christmas sweater or wear something Christmas.
Let's see. That'll work.
I'll wear an ugly one. Don't worry. I'll be on brand. On theme.
We'll be the embarrassing adults.
Yeah.
This would be better as a time lapse. Because then we can talk. Alright, so now that they've annoyed the shit out of each other, we are doing the tortilla challenge so they can get out some aggressions and stuff. You gotta rock, paper, scissors for who goes first.
That was such a perfect slap.
Oh my god, your dad just got Oh my god, I can't believe this.
Oh my god, you're just so
Oh, don't drown, okay?
Oh my god, that was perfect.
Oh my god. Oh, your face is so red from trying to keep the water in. Oh man. You're gonna wait till you hear the door open. Don't spit it at her. Alright, chat, what did that mean?
You guys are a couple of dipshits.
You missed the first one. Alright, we're back in the kitchen with TT. Because our favorite hobby at the moment is baking. Well, would you say that's your favorite?
Yeah.
Yeah. And today we're making some kind of crazy holiday cookie for her to take to her dance friends. Since Tegan's making cookies for an army of dancers.
We have a lot of dough. Where should I put the rest of it? Here, put it in here.
Let's go.
We filled 3 trays already. And we still have all of this left.
Did you count how many cookies were on there?
I'll count after I bake all of them.
How many people are in production?
40?
You might have enough.
I definitely will have enough.
Just got a Christmas farm. They smell good.
No, some of my best looking ones, but my candy cane ones look really like appetizing.
Pues.
Well, we're gonna go into the cookie business.
Maybe.
Try it.
Is there white chocolate peppermint?
Pretty much.
Oh, pretty good.
Yeah.
It's still warm too. Nice and gooey.
Well, very good.